and there's
There you go.
this whole system. Was when they shipped it, nothing was above here.
Okay.
So all these cables come up through this arm and attach into the backside of the system here. This whole thing comes off.
Is that coming off of this shipment?
It depends on how you would like us to ship it. If you want it to
It's
stay
com-
attached, it's all quick disconnects on the backside of
Oh,
the
is it?
control. So it's just a matter of
Market them and,
all these.
oh yeah, see 1, 2, and 3.
Yep, and they're all labeled. This one actually is not, but anything that does not actually have a label, there's a PL1 and a PL2 on the back side of this.
Okay.
It's all plug
So
and
it's
play
all
type stuff.
Plug and play.
Yep. So
There's your,
it's not terribly confusing at all, but like this right here has a label here. This is 1X11. So this gets plugged into the backside of the plasma, and on the backside of the plasma, you will have all your labels here. So you got 1X6, 1X4, 1X9, 1X1, all that stuff. It's all
Okay.
labeled. So it looks more difficult than it really is.
right, once you get it kind of laid out where you want it.
Yeah, exactly. So this is the plasma source here, this is the chiller here. It's a 400 amp plasma, so it has capacity, a ton of capacity as far as the thickness of the material that you'll be able to cut. You know, very capable machine.
It looks very clean, so.
This is your box of manuals, like I mentioned. Manuals for the plasma, manual for the height control, manual for hypotherm, manual for, these are discs for the control, MG manuals, all kinds of everything and anything and probably more than what you want.
And there's all the tracks and everything.
All the tracks, exactly.
Yeah, it looks like it's in great shape.
It really is. I mean, a lot of these machines will take some pretty substantial abuse.
Oh, I've seen some pretty messed up ones.
Yeah.
So these are the oxys.
Yep, these are the oxys. And the oxys can be, depending on what you need to be cutting, can be rotated with these.
Yep.
You can't be rotating them while you're cutting.
But if you're gonna cut a 45, you gotta set it at a 45.
Right. So you have the 3 oxys there, the plasma torch here, and then this is your marker.
The duster.
Yes. Which is on the back side of the carriage that has that one oxy fuel there.
Well, it certainly looks great. And it was running when you took it out?
Yep. Yeah, exactly. And the way that this system is set up is so that you don't run it when it's not fully set up.
Right.
It'll error out. I can get the control up. The control just takes its own power, but you obviously can't cut anything with it. It's not gonna. It errors out when you. I can flip the power on. I don't think that the power is on. I'll go flip the power on, and I can pull the control up, and it's got some programs in there. You can actually see where they had some parts and the nesting and all that stuff. So I can pull that up and show you that real quick.
Okay.